Hey, hello guys, my name is Ruben and today I'm going to show you how to buy Kendu on the Ethereum network using your mobile device. Now it's a very easy process. I'm going to show you step by step, so let's get straight into it. Now the first thing that you need are two applications. The first one is Coinbase and the second one is Phantom Wallet. Now we're going to buy Ethereum on the Coinbase application so that we can swap the funds on the Phantom Wallet. Now the first thing that you want to do is open up your Coinbase application. Now, from out your Coinbase application, you first need to sign up. Now here, use your personal details and from there verify your account. Now, what you want to do next is simply follow Coinbase's cues till your account is fully set up. Now here you want to add payment methods so that we can load up our Coinbase account with funds. Now here go to the top left corner with the three stripes to open up the menu you see right here and go to account and settings. Now here you see the payment methods and we're going to add a payment method right here, and here you can simply choose the payment method of your liking. Now here what we want to do next, we want to load up our account with actually funds. Now what you want to do, you want to go to the button right of your screen where you see the transfer button right here. Now here choose the third option called deposit cash, and here choose the option of your liking to actually load up your account with funds. Now simply follow the cues given by Coinbase, and from there, once you've done the transaction, the funds should be on your Coinbase account. Now, how to find them? It's very easy. Simply open up the cash tab and here you can see all the cash that's currently in your Coinbase account. Now, with this cash, we're going to buy Ethereum. Now, how you actually do that? It's very easy. Simply go back to the home screen and from out here, go to buy and sell. Here, simply buy crypto with cash, the first option. And here you can select Ethereum, as you can see right here. Now, let's say you deposited $10 or euros. Simply press 10. And from there, press review order. Now, I have no cash in my Coinbase account, so I can't do it. Now, what you want to do next, simply press next. And from there, follow the cues given to actually buy the Ethereum. Now, once you've bought the Ethereum on the Coinbase application, the funds should be available in your crypto balance. Now, how you can find them, it's very easy as well. Right above cash, we have the crypto option, and right here in the first option, you see Ethereum, and your Ethereum should be right here. Now you have your Coinbase account set up, loaded up with Ethereum, and now we're going to our Phantom Wallet. Now for the next step, we're going to send our Ethereum from our Coinbase account to our Phantom Wallet. Now, how to do this? It's very easy. First, we're going to set up our Phantom Wallet. So simply open up the Phantom application, and here you can see the Phantom login screen. Now, what you want to do, you want to follow the given cues from the Phantom application and verify your identity to set up the wallet. Now here you have a wallet, as you can see how I have it on my screen with the home page. Right here you see a couple of options. Now in the top of your screen you see receive, send, swap and buy. Now we're going with the first one called receive. Now here you see 5 options, which is Solana, Ethereum, Base, Polygon and Bitcoin. These are all different networks. Now here, what you want to do, you want to open up the Ethereum address, and this is your address with the QR code. Now here in the bottom of our screen, we see a little code with a copy icon. Now simply press the copy icon, and as you can see, it has been copied. Now make sure that this is the same address you paste into Coinbase in a couple of seconds. Now here we open up the Coinbase application. Now what you want to do next, you want to go and press the transfer button. Now here you see send crypto. Now because I'm using software to record my screening, this isn't available for me to show you guys, but I can explain it to you. It's very easy. What you want to do, you want to actually go and press send crypto, and from there paste the address that you have right here in your Phantom Wallet into the top of your screen in the Coinbase application. Now from there, you press the Ethereum, and from there you send to my address, my custody address. You paste your address in there, and from there you can send it to your own address on the Phantom Wallet. Now for the third step, we're going to swap our Ethereum for Kendu. Now, as you just followed step 2, your Ethereum should be on your Phantom Wallet. Now you can check this by going to the Ethereum chain, and here you can see your balance, which is currently topped with the amount that you've just sent. Now let's say you can't find it, simply scroll up and check the manage token list in the button. Now make sure that the Ethereum lever has been put on. Now right here we simply open up the Ethereum chain, and here you can see your balance. Now on top of your balance you have 4 options. Now the first one is receive, second one send, the third one is swap. We're going to press swap. Now right here you have 2 options. The first one is you pay, the second one is you receive. Now make sure that you pay is set to Ethereum. Now change the USCD to Ethereum. Now here, as you can see, you receive, change to USDC. Now we want to change this to Kendu, but you want to make sure that you use the right contract address, because there's a lot of different ones. Now, what you want to do, you want to go into the comment section and check the pinned comment. Also in the description, I have set the original and the only Kendu contract address available. So always double check if that's the right one. So we're going to our notes. Right here is the Ethereum one. Press copy, and from there we're going to the Phantom Wallet back again. And here, what you want to do, you want to press the USDC. Here, press you receive, go to search, make sure you are on the Ethereum chain, and paste the address right here. And Kendu, as you can see, should pop up right away. Now go to the little icon, the information icon, and here you see some information. As you can see, the network is Ethereum. The market cap right now is 12.5 million. It's probably somewhere in the billions if you're watching this right now. But from out here you can see that it is the Kendu one. Simply press it. Once you've pressed it, it changed it to Kendu, and now you can start swapping. Now what you want to do, you want to go to the top left corner where the little switch icon is. Now you can set it to $. Now from out here, once you select the amount that you want to transfer, there's one thing very important, and that is the slippage. Now as you can see, my slippage is set to 0.2%. What you want to do, you want to go to the top right corner and make sure where the levers are, make sure that your slippage is set to 0.2%. Don't put it at auto, simply go right here and put it at 0.2. I'm not going in depth, I'm using that for a different video, so check the description down for the slippage video. Simply press confirm, and right here we can swap the Ethereum for Kendu, so simply press swap now. Swap in the tokens as of now. Now let's wait a couple of seconds before the transaction is finalized, and as you can see, it has been done. And right now, if I go into my wallet, I can't see you probably can't see the Kendu token, because what you want to do next, you want to go to manage token list and search for Kendu. Now as you can see right here, you can turn it off and on. Make sure to pull the lever, and from out here you've just became a real Chad. Now, and as you can see, the Kendu loaded up on your account, and that's it. Now you are a proud owner of some sweet Kendu. Now let's say you still got any other questions, leave them in the comments down below. Don't hesitate to ask anything. I will take my time to respond. Also, make sure to check the description for the official Kendu Telegram and all the other links you needed. Kendu is also available on Solana and on the Base network. I'm going to make different videos in the upcoming future, so make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss these videos, and thank you for watching.